Hi, everybody. It's Miss Molinari. And today's recording is from my Math Group 1 class that I had this morning. And we reviewed our Math Mission Week 11 that was gone over and assigned yesterday. This is a long division problem. Please remember, anytime you're working through a problem, show your work. The answer is great, but if you don't show your work, can you really teach someone else? Because what have I talked to you about? You know the material if you can teach it to someone else. All right. Te amo. I love you. Pause this video anytime you need to go back and work on that problem. Bye. All right. So the first thing I'm going to do up here, okay, is I'm going to write what I need. Remember, does McDonald's sell cheese burgers? Oh, wait a minute. I put an S there. All right. And what I would recommend is, maybe you write this down. Hey, maybe today during my workday, I might actually finish that fantastic hint sheet. Okay. Yes. This is the math mission from yesterday. Okay. Now, Sarai, you have it all done. I'm going to write it up here. Hi, Zoe. And friends, if you, and that's why I said, if you want to take a minute and go look at your grade, and see if you've done your math mission. And if you know you need to do it with me, those of you who are done with it, like Sarai, you have your 10 points, but if you want to do it again with me, like you're like, Miss M, yeah, you did, you got the right answer. If you go look at your grades, remember friends, look at your math, look at grades. It will tell you as of yesterday, maybe 4 o'clock, if you got it done and got points. Okay, so I'm asking you, go look if you don't know, because here's the thing, you have to show your work. So many of you who may have done it may, number one, not have been sure or didn't show your work. And so I'm going to work through it. Here's the thing. If you're going to do it with me, you're going to have to do it on a piece of paper or a board. Your loved one can either, you can take a picture of your board or paper and send me a text, or go into your assignment and write it on the screen. With your mouse, you can do that, or a stylus. No, it might not be the neatest, but I bet you can do it, or you can type the numbers. Do you understand what I'm saying? Okay, if you choose not to do this, and you should, think of that integrity. I sent a very long email out to you and your loved ones yesterday. It's a pretty important one. It's about what we do when we're stuck and not giving up, the resources that are available to you, your learning coaches. Go back and look at the modules. All these things that you should do before you say, Miss M, I'm just stuck. Okay? If you haven't read it, that's extremely important. Okay? All right. So here we go. To those of you that already finished, like Sarai, you got your points. Any of you that got it done and you have your A, here is extra credit math. Look, long division. Even if you got this done, are like, wow, I could really use some help on long division, here is a Nearpod code for you. Okay, and I'll put it up on the board. All right, so I'm asking you to a couple of steps here. Number one, do you have a grade for your math mission from yesterday? If not, or you didn't pass it, I'm asking that you stay with me and that you do it with me. I'm going to do the whole thing and write it down. Okay. If you choose not to, well, my opinion is that would not be the best choice, but that's your choice. Okay. Here's another one. I also have an extra credit science Nearpod code. okay? And it's on our other two spheres. Do you remember? We did biosphere and we did geosphere, okay? So this one is on the other two. We'll talk a little bit about it tomorrow, but we'll focus a little bit on that, and then we'll go into our math. But it's an all or do Friday, okay? If you choose to do them, okay? So, yes. So here you go. All right, now I'm going to put this towards the bottom. If you can't see anything up here, what I want you to do is I want you to zoom your screen in or out. You'll find out where my writing is, and then you can go to it, okay? So, does everyone have now an idea of what you're going to do? Are you going to do this problem with me where you're guaranteed 100%? If you do it with me and write it all down, then all you have to do is get a picture sent to me or do it on the screen. Do you all understand? You could be doing that with me, okay? Hey, Ethan, I love you, but I really need you only because I'm glad, but it doesn't matter what Zoe's putting up there, okay? I want you to focus on what I'm doing, okay? Do you understand that instead of doing this, you could be doing an extra credit long division Nearpod? You can also do it after this because you'll have time. You understand? So you could be doing both. You could do this one and then the other. Like that's a lot of bonus points. You could also be doing an extra credit science Nearpod, which we'll touch on tomorrow, but both are due by Friday, end of day or something. And by the way, if you work on it over the weekend, that's fine too. Okay. All right. So, Ashlyn, do I have your attention? All right. I love you. I just want to make sure. Okay. So I'm going to leave these codes down here so that you have them. All right. And I'm going to work through this problem. All right. So if you need to go get something to write on or write with, would you please go do that? Okay. All right. And then, and I did send an email with all of this in there. Please check them. A learning coach can read them with you. All right. Friends, when we have a talk a couple of times and I have to keep repeating myself, that's when I sometimes have to turn. Oh, there you go, Sarai. Okay. And Sarai, what I want you to do is, can you see it now? Yeah, zoom out. Thank you. Ethan, I just had to do that for a minute. Ashlyn, you're next if I have to, because yeah, Zoe, we got it. We got it. Friends, if we all just pay attention, it's cool. Okay, hold on, I'm going to turn that one back on. Sometimes I just turn off tools for a minute to make a point. And it's not for everybody to know. It's, hey, eyes over here, I love you. And you're talking to the queen of squirrel moments. Okay, all right. Okay, so here we go. If you're going to do this with me. If not, I'd love for you to stay, but you're more than welcome to head out. Okay, I sent you these codes in an email too. Okay, here we go. Those of you that would like this help. If we look at 24, it can't go into 3, but 24 can go into the number 30. So we know our first number is going to be placed above the 0. How many groups of 24? If I have 30 suckers, how many do you think groups of 24 can I give away? Well, I have 24 times 1 is 24. All right, 24 times 2 is, my friend, okay, so 48. Good. I'm just going to ignore you because the kiddos that want to be here are here. Good. So Maddie said, oh, let me turn that back on. Okay, friends, just ignore those in the chat box that are making the choice that this isn't what they want to do. Okay. All right. And Sarai, like I said, if you want to write those codes down or look at your email, Sarai, I just know you had it done. Some of the rest of you may. Okay, so it's going to go in one time, right, Maddie? Okay. All right. And here we go. I'm always calm. Well, I'm not. Okay. So 1 times 24, we did our division. All right, you're welcome. So now we got to multiply. 1 times 24 is 24. Now we subtract. Do you see how we're under the subtract now? And when I do that, I could just take 24 and count up. Remember, I love to add to subtract. And you end up going to get 6. Okay. Now check our answer. Is 6 greater than 24? Like, could I make another group of 24 if I only have 6 Tootsie Pops? What do you think? No, you can't. Perfect, perfect. Hi, Samir. I'm so happy you're here. So now I can bring down my 7. And you see, I think I mentioned that if you have look, I messed it up. If you have a piece of lined paper, turn it on its side so you have your columns. Okay, because it's really easy to get this messed up, which is why I was also saying, write down what we're doing and then send me a picture. Okay, it shows you are making that effort to do it with me. Okay, all right, so we know 24 times 8. I know, they stopped. Okay, 24 times 2 is 48. Let's see if we can do one more. Let's try times 3, just in case. Okay, 4 times 3, 12. And this was something that we pointed out yesterday that could help somebody. We looked at the fact that where do we put the 2 and the 1 for the number 12? Do you see how I have a slanty 12? Do you see the number 12 still? And if I wasn't sure what number goes where, look, if I put my 1 here and my 2 here, what slanty number do I have? What's my slanty number, my diagonal number? What do you come up with, friends? What's my diagonal number? You see it up there? I see the number 21. Well, is that 12? No. So we want to write it so we have our slanted, our diagonal number, okay? And I know there's friends out there that hopefully I think that's going to click, because we've been working out on multiplication and division, but that part gets us stuck. Okay, so now back to it. All right, 2 times 3, you're shaking hands with everything, is 6 plus the 1 is 7. And then remember, it's just a good habit. See ya, Felicia, to the number 1. Okay, so we have 72. So how many times can 24 or 67 be divided by 24 without going over? 2 or 3? Times 2 was 48. Times 3 is 72. Which number? Ah, perfect. Nice job, friends. And if you're not sure, look up there. Hold on, I'm going to sneeze. Sorry. Okay, times 2. And do we understand why? Thank you. Because I can't give 72 Tootsie Pops out if I only have 67. Okay, so it goes in 2 times. I'm trying my best to line up my numbers. Okay, we divided. Now multiply. 2 times 24. Awesome. We already did it. Okay, and now we're going to subtract. Okay, I can't take 8 away from 7. When it comes to subtraction, you can't flip the number. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to borrow 1. I'm going to borrow a cup of sugar. So I'm going to borrow, it's going to turn to a 5. And that turns into a 17. Okay, so 17 minus 8. Just in case I'm having trouble, I'm going to start at 8. I'm going to count up to 17. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 9. Do you see how I did that? I do that with my fingers. You probably don't want peanut butter or jelly all over them, because then I can count up. I could also do 8 fingers and count backwards. I'm horrible at counting backwards. 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. All right, there's multiple ways to do it because I don't like counting backwards. There's always ways around it. And then we get 1. Okay, now, can I make another group of 24 if I have 19? Good, can I make another group? No. We always want, when we check our answer, to be no. Okay, because if it's bigger, we could have made an if it was like 25, I could have made another group of 24. Okay, so now bring down your 2. All right, 192. Oh, great, googly moogly. Okay, so let's take a guess. Let's estimate. About how many times do you think? Okay, 2 could go into 19. All right, let's try 8. All right, let's try it, or 6. So let's try 6. We'll try 8, and then we can do 6. I love it. Roslyn, she said, we're going to do the 6 first. She said, let's try 6. Good. That's a good guess because, friends, even if we're right or wrong, we can keep guessing. Okay, so 24, just so you know, look at, I've got my diagonal 24. Do you see it? My diagonal 24. Okay, so there's my diagonal 24. And then 2 times 6 is 12, 13, 14. All right, and then see a Felicia. Okay, so I also saw 5 in there. Well, if 144 is smaller, we want to go up. So let's try 28. All right, and good. If you were doing this on your paper, do you see how I'm just putting it kind of all over? Let's try 8. Okay, so 8 times 8 is 64. Okay, 64. All right, so carry my 6. 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, I'm sorry, 16. Sorry, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Uh-oh. Am I doing something wrong here? Have I done my math wrong? I did my math wrong. Maddie, can you tell me where I did my math wrong? I did do it wrong. Okay, let me take a look at this. Hold on. Hold on. 28 is wrong. It should be 24. Thank you. So, oh, thank you. You know what? Perfect. Guess who caught it? Thank you, Girani. Look what he caught. I did 28 because I got messed up. It's 24 times 8. Thank you. And maybe that's a mistake you wouldn't have made if you weren't like talking the problem out, but that's good. Thank you for catching that. Okay, so 8 times 4 is 32. Okay, so I'm going to put my 2 down here. I'm going to put my 3. I know that it's more than diagonal. Okay, see 32. 8 times 2 is 16. Add 3. 17, 18, 19. Zoe, no one's doing anything wrong, okay? I promise. Ethan just showing us that, yeah, Miss M, you messed that number up. All right, Zoe, that was a good help. Zoe, and a lot of us, kind of have to focus on this so we can get, hey, no thumbs down, no thumbs down, get rid of that. All right, everybody's allowed to get frustrated. All right, Zoe, I appreciate you showing that and sticking with us on the computer. All right, okay, so 192. Oh, hey, that's perfect. So 192 divided by 24 is 8. Now, we could go that extra step and do minus 192, and we will get 0. So our answer is 128. Okay, so, but a lot of you, many of you stop at this point where you finish that because you knew it was 192. I'm okay with that. Hey, it's me again. So there you go. The answer was 128. Did you see that I made a mistake in there? And do you know how come I made a mistake? Number one, I miss Molinari. And well, you know what? I make mistakes. But as I was helping other students, I mixed up my 8. Remember, it was 24 times 8, and I put a 28 because I was thinking of 8. So that is also an example of how you, my loves, can get distracted when you're doing an assignment. Okay, so when we're in class and we're typing in the chat box that might not have anything to do with class, especially after a reminder or 4, hey, let's focus on what we're doing. I want you to think about how, if that threw me off, the teacher, what could it be doing to other students? And if somebody else was doing that, it might throw you off. Okay, so if we use integrity and do the right thing, then all of us are going to be able to learn. Okay, I love you. I hope that helped. Bye. Bye bye.